I'm sure you've heard the news. Laptop batteries giving you trouble? Let's solve it. First, check your physical connections. Ensure the power adapter is snugly plugged in and the ports free of debris. No visible damage to the cord? Great. Next, update or reinstall your battery drivers. Open Device Manager and find Batteries. Right-click Microsoft ACPI Compliant Control Method Battery. Try updating the driver. Didn't work? Uninstall it and restart your laptop. Windows will handle the rest. Step 3. Reset power management settings. Go to Settings, then System, and click Power and Sleep. Hit Additional Power Settings, select your plan, and restore default settings. Still no luck? Run the Power Troubleshooter. Head to Settings, Update and Security, Troubleshoot, then click Power and run the Troubleshooter. If all else fails, reset your system. Completely shut down your laptop, remove the battery, hold the power button for 10-30 seconds, reinsert the battery, and power it back on. Lastly, if the issue persists, check your battery health or consider replacing the battery or power adapter.